Alright, in order to change this, you do have to put the screwdriver on here, take out the clip as best as you can, and then that pops them out of there. So you can see I did that here. I'm getting ready to pop them out. That's what locks them in there. And then I did the same on the other side. As soon as you do that, the unlocks the bottom there, so I should be able to get them off. Just be careful not to get popped with those on your face, because they're pretty strong in there. So here's one done. It's I took that clip off, but you don't want to take it all the way because it's a very strong clip. So if you do, you're gonna have a harder time putting it back in. The lower one here was, so I just pushed it up and it's good to go. So there's the new one, and this are the old one. Let me see the number here. So we have are they the same? Well, it's not gonna be the same exact number, but 53 05N. Oh, here we go. 0535N, 0535N. So they are the same number there. Everything else is a little different, but as you can see, they're the same length right there. And this is what I mean. See how that is? You gotta definitely just a little bit. You don't want to take it all the way out because then it closes on you like that. And this, it's gonna be harder to put in. You can do it, but definitely don't want to take them all out. Then you'll be fighting it more. And another thing I forgot to mention: once you take it out, make sure you clean the old grease that's on the studs on both sides. So I have to go and clean that. There is grease on the new one, as you can see right there, and on this side they do come with a little grease, but the old grease is pretty dirty, so you gotta clean that. As you can see here, kind of leaking, and there you go. So make sure you clean all that dirt or grease. As you can see, it's all dirty there. So one more thing to check on this when you change it. This one was loose. Actually, I could unscrew it with my fingers, so go ahead and retighten those before you put it on. Don't forget to check that. And that was a 13mm. So this side was a bit on the loose side. This side was fine, but there you go. The new ones are in. So it took a little doing. Just take your time with it. So here's a last look at the old ones. This one is actually broken already. As you can see, it's leaked out all over there. And I did put the clip back, so if you take them out, they usually just slide from the side, so you just put one side on and then just with a screwdriver or a flat screwdriver you pull the other one. So it's doable. Even if they come out, you can put it back. But there you go. This one was okay, but this one was already leaking too. But these are the OEM, which means they lasted almost 200,000 miles on this car, because I have like 198. So that's pretty good for these struts. They work very well. And that's pretty much it for this one.